Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have a showdown between two fantastic fitness gadgets, the Luck walking pad and the Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill.
Get ready for some serious comparison action. The following comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's kick things off with the price. The Luck walking pad comes in at an affordable $249, while the Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill is priced slightly higher at $299. So if you're on a budget, the walking pad might be the way to go. Now let's talk features.
The walking pad offers a 2-in-1 experience, allowing you to work while walking or jogging.
It has a convenient LED display and a remote control for easy adjustments.
Plus, it's designed to be quiet and anti-slip, perfect for home or office use. On the other hand, the Cursor Fitness treadmill boasts a powerful brushless motor with speeds of up to 7.5 mph. It also has a digital LED console to keep track of your workout progress and even monitors your heart rate in real time.
It's like having a personal trainer right in your home. When it comes to space and portability, the Luck walking pad takes the crown. With its compact design, it can easily fit under your sofa or desk.
Plus, it weighs just 54 pounds and has built-in wheels for effortless moving. Talk about convenience.
Meanwhile, the Cursor Fitness treadmill offers a spacious running area, providing ample leg and elbow space for you and your family members. It's perfect for those who prefer a more traditional treadmill experience.
Last but not least, let's talk about warranty and customer support.
The Luck walking pad comes with a customer-first approach, offering a 24-hour customer service team to assist you with any issues. Peace of mind is guaranteed.
On the other hand, the Cursor Fitness treadmill offers a generous 5-year warranty on the frame structure and 1 year on the parts.
Plus, their dedicated Cursor Care service team based in Los Angeles provides 24/7 support.
Your satisfaction is their top priority.
Based on online reviews, the Luck walking pad is praised for its simplicity, compact size, quiet operation, and sturdy build. It is recommended for those seeking a no-frills treadmill that is effective and durable. On the other hand, the Cursor Fitness treadmill is highly recommended for at-home workouts due to its ease of assembly, compact size, and suitable speeds for walking or jogging. It is praised for its affordability and ease of use. And there you have it, folks. The Luck walking pad and the Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill battled it out, but now it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best.
Remember, no matter which one you choose, staying active is the ultimate goal.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.